Hi, good afternoon, friends. I hope everyone's okay at the moment. Today is Wednesday, 28th of October 2020, and the time now is at 12:45 p.m. So now I'm going to pour this one side of this strip, which is number 7 strip, and the calculated volume is this one here. So the length is 0.605 and the width is 0.34 and the thickness of the concrete is 0.07 meter, and the volume is calculated is 0.0144, that's a cubic meter, multiplied by 1000 liters per cubic meter, and the salt is 14.4 liters, and I put a 20% factor, so that becomes the volume is 17 liters. So basically one bag and 6 liters of a bucket, the volume, and the cement content is 2 liters. Alright, so friends, so please stay with me and we do the pouring of this strip number 7, and after that I'm going to pour this number 8, but I have to clean it and backfill on the right level. But after we finish this concrete here, I'm going to remove this board. Alright, so please stay with me, and hopefully it won't rain. Okay, thank you so much, and bye for now. I have to prepare my concrete mix.